Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another DIY video. I just want to point out that I've made a bunch of these videos already and I show you like 20 TikToks per video, so it's kind of hard to find new good DIYs. I'm trying my best. I've searched for a long time for good TikToks, so I hope you'll still like them. So let's just get started. By the way, I heard this week that my bunny passed away, so my English is a little off, so I'm sorry for that. I hope you can understand. This is the first video. I really like these videos where they just paint on the mirrors. Like, I think it looks so cool. I've never actually done it myself, but I really want to. If I move out and I buy more mirrors for more spaces, I can actually do this, I think. I do really like it, and this is the first idea. I have a few more in this video. Also, the shape of the mirror is really cool. Then this is the second video. If you're into jewelry making, or if you're into like this kind of jewelry making, this is really fun. I've made bracelets like this in the past, but not this particular design, but it looks really cool, and if you're into this, then this might be a new fun idea for you to try. I really like the colors as well, and this is a really good idea if you want to sell your own DIYs. People love jewelry, especially girls. I can buy tons of jewelry. It's fun. I like it. This is the third one. It's a jar candle. I don't think I've ever showed something like this before, but I do really like it. Basically, you just have these long candles and you melt them and you put them in a jar. She put some stuff in it as well. I really like that. Like, you can go so many ways with this. I like DIYs where you can give your own spin to it and where you have a lot of creativity to play with, and you can make a lot of different colors with this, and you can put a lot of stuff in it and you can make different designs, and also a good idea to sell. I hope this works with scented candles because I never buy unscented candles. This is the next one. I thought this was really cool, and you can also do this with so many colors. This person uses black paint, but you can do this in many different ways. You can even use multiple colors. You just have to wait until it's done, how it turns out. I think this is so smart. I, for one, never would come up with something like this. It looks really good. It's really smart. It's like something's behind it, and there are like these mirrors on it. Now that you know how it turned out, you can do this with so many colors and in so many ways. I would love to do this with like a pastel color, but this also looks really good. This next one is a bit more simple, but we like simple sometimes. So this is really handy as well. It's DIY stickers. I don't believe it's that hard. You just make a drawing. You put, I think, double-sided tape on paper, and then you put with normal tape sticker on it, and then, well, you have a sticker. What a good explanation. I know, but you're gonna see it for yourself. It's really not hard. Even if you have like a cute piece of paper from something, you want to turn that into a sticker, I think that would look even better. Then we're going into painting jars and glass bottles and everything. I really like it, but I think you should at least find one glass jar or bottle in the house. This is a great idea for if you want to do something right now. Then I have a few more ideas. This is basically the same idea, but with a lot more designs, and they all look so good. Like, the other one was just one idea, but this is just a lot of different ideas. So if you need some inspiration and you really want to do this, here you have a bunch of ideas. You can even do all of them if you're feeling really creative right now. Seems so fun, but I think I would totally suck at this, you know? Then this is a video I think I've been looking for so long. It's another like clay tray-ish, but I always wanted to make one with like fun edge like this, but I was always thinking, how do you get it like round in a pretty way? This is how you do it. I never thought of that. Just to put it in a bowl and let it dry, but it's so simple. I really want to do this. It's not a DIY video without something made of clay. I love this. Then this next one is a compilation of a few things. I've mentioned a few before. Paint a flower pot, of course. Make a crochet mushroom garland, draw on glass again. Make your own bookmarks. That's kind of why I chose this video. That's kind of cool. I don't really know how. It looked like she just had some paper and like plastified it. Also, the shoe thing. I don't know what she does exactly, but it looks really cool. I wish I knew how to do that, but overall, another good compilation. Then the second mirror painting video. This isn't the last one. I love this one. It looks really fun. Plus, it looks really good. I really want to do this myself. I wish I had a place to put another mirror, but I really don't. Oh my god, this next one blew my mind for some reason. Like how it turns out. It's like one of those tiles, but she puts the photo on it. I love that. I don't know exactly what they put it in. Can it be just water? I don't know. But they do put something on it, some kind of spray. Directions in the comments. Print image on water slide, transfer paper, spray image with clear spray paint, soak image in water, 30 to 60 seconds. Well, it's not that hard, and it looks really cool. Plus, this makes for a great gift. Then this next one is also a compilation. First one is a summer bucket list, because why not? That is just really fun. A heart garland, also really fun. Then this one I also thought was really smart. If you don't have the stuff to make jewelry like like this and you may have those things at home, then that is just really easy to do. By the way, of course, all of these videos will be linked down below for you to check out as well and to save them on your TikTok account if you have one. Then the next one is flower pot hacks. I thought this was really smart and especially a great solution if you don't really have the money to buy a plant hanger or you just like to try new things. They also do one with a vase, which is also cool. This is just really smart. You just basically need some rope and you're good to go. It's really easy. It's really a money saver as well. Not that plant hangers have to be that expensive. This is definitely cheaper. I know that for sure. Plus, isn't it fun to say like, yeah, I just made that myself, you know? I did that. Then of course another clay DIY. How could I not? Like I said so many times, you can make anything with clay, and this person is making a clay vase because why not? It looks so good. Oh my god. I don't even know if I could pull it off that well. I don't think so. I never really do anything with clay anymore, not since my video in which I made a clay tray. But if you're better with clay, you could totally try this out, and you can like paint it all pretty and everything. You can like make a cute pattern on it. Then this next one is also a very cheap way of making room decor. It's kind of one of those makeup holders things, makeup stands, I don't even know. This is really smart and handy. I personally would paint it because I don't really like the boxy color. I do like the idea, definitely. It's really smart, saves you a lot of money, especially if you just get like a shoe box. So yeah, I really wanted to include it. Then another painting mirror stuff. This is the last one, I think. They're just painting some flowers on it and these pink little things. I don't even know, but I really like it. And again, the shape of the mirror is so cool. Do people just buy it like this? Because I never see mirrors like this. I want to know where they got it. But I really like it. I also like it when people like paint on text. Like, they look amazing. Is that so cringy? I don't know. This next one is a little bit more complicated, but you just have to follow along if you like it. She just makes a butterfly bookmark. In my last video, I showed a TikTok where they made a heart bookmark from paper. It was really easy and fun. But then I saw this one, a butterfly bookmark, and it's definitely a bit more complicated. It's a much longer video as well, but it turns out really good. She shows it very in depth and very slowly because it's just not very easy to follow along. But maybe you're feeling creative, maybe you need a bookmark, maybe you're out of bookmarks or you lost yours. I always did. Then this is a fun way to make one, and it also looks really good. I have to say, I love how it turns out, but I don't think I have the patience to do this. I have bookmarks, so I'm good. I do really love how it turns out anyway. Then in this TikTok, she shows you how to make a DIY smiley lamp, and you can do this in so many ways. You can just make your own design because it's really not that hard, and it's also really smart. I don't get how people come up with this kind of stuff. I really don't know. I don't know exactly what she uses to like on the back, the yellow stuff, but I guess you can also use different things for that. I think as long as it's just kind of see-through, then it's okay, because of course the lights have to come through. There are so many different designs you can make with this. It doesn't even have to be round or anything. It can be much bigger, it can be smaller. You can even make like things next to each other. I love it. How do people come up with this kind of stuff? I want to be that creative. Then I had to include one nail DIY. I don't know exactly what she mixes, but I do really like the look of it, especially the line. How did she do that so well? Like the line on the tip. I don't even know how. I think she mixes normal nail polish with the clear nail polish, but it looks really good. I really like it. And this last one I just thought was really funny, but also really smart. If you are lazy and you don't like folding your clothes, then this is just such a good idea for you. You can easily just make this out of a box and you just cut it up a little. If you are a grown person, you might need a bigger one, but still, this is so smart. How do people come up with this stuff? I didn't even know. But he really seems to enjoy himself, so I thought it was really funny. He really likes to do it. I just thought it was funny, and maybe you can really use this in your life. That were all the DIYs that I had for you today. I hope they were still kind of fun. It's getting hard to find good ones because I used most of them already. Again, everything will be linked down below so you can check it out as well. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. Check out my other DIY videos because I've made a lot more, and I've also made videos in which I make DIYs myself, so go check it out as well. And I hope I will see you in my next video.